Wow, it's so delicious. Everyone should try this dessert cake and enjoy. Hello my family, welcome back again to our channel. Today I'm going to make a tropical mango dessert cake, and this is what you are going to use. Follow me on how we are going to make our delicious tropical mango dessert cake. So we are now going to begin with mashing the biscuits. You can see I'm already breaking them to small pieces. Now at this point I'm going to add the melted butter and the cocoa here. I'm now going to pour our mixture into the pan. Now you've seen it's nicely leveled. So after this stage we are going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. In the meantime we will be doing the cream layer. I'm now going to mash the bananas, as you see, the sweet bananas. So I've set it aside. Now I'm going to add the 500 milliliters of milk into the saucepan. We add the bananas to the milk, plus 1 drop of vanilla, the 100 grams of sugar, and the 45 grams of cornstarch. I'm going to let it cook on low heat. I'm now going to pour the cream. I'm just going to level. Now at this point I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Then I'll add the third layer. Okay, at this time we are going to blend the mangoes. This is orange juice. I'm just going to add it in, and tropical juice. We have now poured the third layer that I was making in the saucepan. Put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Wow, I'm now salivating. Our cake is now ready. I'm just going to open it. If you've been following me up to now, that means you've liked the video. Just drop a comment, like, and go to our subscribing button. Subscribe there for me. Support me. Tell me from which country you're watching me from. For more details about me, you can find me on TikTok, Chef Shayla. You can find me on Instagram, Ugandan Cooking by Shayla. Thank you very much for watching.